Central Trooper 2.
Gone.
I think we might have located them here on the south side of Long Lake. We got a light in the area of where he's at. If it's going to be just east of the address.
Can you try to lead us in there to him? Me flash my light up at you?
Yep. You have to keep working your way east, and you only get bits and pieces here, but just keep pushing east. Maybe about 50 or 75 yards straight off your nose. It should be holed up right there to your right, to the south of where you're at. Two that are together straight south.
Got eyes on, we got eyes on.
We're out with them. Can you start medical? We'll work on getting them out of here.
A firm, 2257.
Good work, Trooper 2.
Yeah, no problem. Good work to everybody out there.